Hey, my name is Jacob Perkins and I'm a videographer for hire, and in this video we're going to be talking about the differences between videography and video production. So that way you can figure out which one best suits your project. Let's get into it. The first thing to know is that there are two different types of work in filmmaking: videography and video production. Videographers are the people who shoot footage with cameras on hand, while producers oversee the entire process from start to finish, including hiring talent, setting up shoots, creating storyboards, etc. A producer will often take care of post-production editing as well as distributing their content, whereas a videographer does not do these things, but rather focus on filmmaking. One of the popular key phrases that lead people to my business is Videographer Austin, and I think that's great. But when a client wants a promo ad or a commercial, that's more of a production. One of my goals in this video is to show the distinction. That way, when you want to hire someone, you know what you're getting, and so does your wallet. I'm going to show you a videographer's bag and a video production's workspace. Let's get into it. As you can see, a videographer is meant to be working with the basics: a camera, a lens, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a mic. Video production's workspace, they should have everything: lights, multiple cameras, multiple mics, a video editing station, light stands, bags, travel equipment. If you're a videographer, I am not limiting your expertise, but as a video production company, we own all these materials to film full-size productions, and to me, that's like choosing an iPhone. You can get the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Max with all the bells and whistles. Most live events can operate under one videographer with a run and gun shooting. A videographer is dedicated to their sole job in capturing footage. Videographers are expert video creators, and their knowledge and expertise helps find perspectives for the story. I think videographers' specialty comes with shooting weddings, live events, or being an essential part of a video production team. Now, video production is best suited for a media campaign or a commercial, something that requires pre-production and post-production. Typically, if your project is going to require lighting, audio, camera operators, you're most likely going to need a team, and the word production is used largely because it's a larger responsibility. The best way to gauge what is best to pick is to say what you want out loud. If you hear yourself say, "I want a wedding highlight reel," and you choose one videographer, do not get upset if what you want is multiple cameras to cut to. If you are a business and you have thousands of people a week are going to watch what you want to make, it's probably best to have a team of video experts to ensure it's delivered appropriately. This is no dig at videographers, and this is not supposed to be a watered-down version of video production companies. What I want to get across is video production is probably what you're looking for if you want to film a commercial or ad, and videographers are there to film your wedding. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful in understanding the difference between videography and video production. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to read them and get back to you.